V bistvu je bilo fajn, no? Na začetku je bilo strm malo živčnosti, verjetno pričakovano, pred tisto prvim štartom mojemu iz Šmarij, kaj pa to zlaufali, je bilo pa vedno bolje. No? Ena kriza je bila tam, da ta drugo noč, eno etapo, ki je bila malo daljša, se po 1-3 ure pobiral, ampak na koncu je bilo pa super.
Mislim, da noben od nas 4 ni več spal. Mogoče, mislim, smo mižali, ampak mislim, da noben ni spal, ker avtodom ni bil na toliko dolgih lokacijah, da bi stal, ampak je bil kot pomožni drugemu spremljalnemu vozilu. Tako da mislim, da noben ni več spal, tako kot pri dvojicah ne spi. V takem času ne.
We had 3 defects on the pneus. We get many wrong routes because we don't know the country and the streets. And at time station 8 we had a crash. One rider leg is hurt, and the last 400 kilometers we must take the race only with 3 reader. This was very difficult. So.
Very important, no team, no finished, and we have a little time in the race. We were not so happy, and the team makes their best, and we are finished a good time.
You know what honestly shocked me the most was the number of teams that were so close together the first night. It was a thicket of cars and racers and everybody going so hard. I was so impressed with every team of any age, of 2-man, 1-man, 4-man, everybody out there was killing it. They were going so fast that I was like, oh my God, they're tearing their legs off. How can they go 750 miles like this?